Welcome back to this Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix low accuracy on Google Maps. Let's begin. If Google Maps is showing low accuracy, it can be very frustrating, right? Especially if you rely on it for navigation or location-based services. But you need to understand the reasons behind low accuracy so that you can address the issue effectively. Number one is obviously if you're using the Google Map on your maybe website or on the Google Maps on your computer, basically a weak or unstable internet connection can affect how well Google Maps retrieves and updates your location. So ensure that you have a strong and stable internet connection by switching Wi-Fi or mobile data or to a wired connection, especially if you're using your computer or laptop. All right. Now, the next option is if you are using a VPN, you might want to temporarily disconnect that because, again, it could hinder your connection to the Google Maps, especially if you don't have a stable internet connection. So after that, try to see if that fixes the issue. All right. Now, on the Google Maps app on your mobile device, I need you to make sure that you have installed the most updated version because that could potentially fix the low accuracy on the app. I need you to click on the update button and turn on again the Google Maps to see if that works, all right? Now, after installing the updated version of the Google Maps app and still not working, all right, I need you to go to your phone's setting. Here, I need you to go to the app management. I need you to go to the app list and of course type in Google Maps. I want you to click on it and then I want you to click on the permissions. Make sure you have allowed the location, all right? This is very important. So you have an option here to allow all the time, allow only using while using the app, or ask every time. Of course, you need to click on allow all the time. After that, I need you to go to this section. I need you to go to the settings and make sure the location is turned on, all right? So for Android, there's a different settings and for iOS as well. So it's up depending on your mobile brand's device. After that, if it still doesn't work, just go to the Google Maps help and type in your questions to see if you get an answer, or you can also post to the help community, and one of the active members in the Google Maps help would provide insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix low accuracy on Google Maps. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.